If you're searching for a new phone but aren't sure which one to get, don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to Brain Friz. Alam Nia, Alam Mo Rin. For today's video, I will share to you the best phones to buy for 2021. Instead of overwhelming you with a long list of options, we've divided our list of the best smartphones you can buy right now into a few simple categories, each with only 2 options, from affordable phones that cost $350 or less to super fancy luxury. Buying forecast for spring 2021. Due to the postponement of Mobile World Congress until later this summer, the number of new phone releases in early 2021 would be lower than in previous years. Apart from a few new Moto phones, Samsung's Galaxy S21 range, which includes the $800 Galaxy S21, the significantly larger $1,000 Galaxy S21 Plus, and the high-end $1,200 Galaxy S21 Ultra, is the biggest new arrival. If you're not a fan of Samsung's latest phones, we expect Asus to announce a new ROG gaming phone later this spring. Also, we expect the Google phones such as Pixel 5a and Pixel 6 that will be released on month of August 2021. Also, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra may be the incredible smartphone. Looking at it from all angles, we can't really see a flaw or shortcoming. This phone was released in April 2021, as well as a new OnePlus smartphone, with several more releases planned for later this summer. This is all for now. Please tell me your opinion about this news. Comment down below. Also, if you want to be updated on my next video with regards technology trends and tutorials, click the notification bell all button. Thank you.